You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
Okay guys, welcome back. Hopefully you were over at my push-up session. No big deal, nothing special. We just do push-ups there. And as I told the guys from over there, if you haven't figured it out, I do that before I do this. So I like to get the workout in. That's why I don't call this the Bowflex channel. I call this the oil field guy workout channel. So today we're going back to steady pace. That's the one where it only goes up to like a resistance of 1 and we spin really fast. Last time we held right around 20 RPMs. Killer workout. We're going to try it again. If you have your iPhone watch, set your iPhone watch. I'm going to put the only setting that I know is elliptical on here. But before we even get started, I don't know if I'm going to put this up in the screen or where I'm going to put this. All right, so this is, yeah, maybe I'll put this up in the screen, okay? So this is my Bowflex app, and I hit the journal all the time, and this is where, you know, what we did yesterday here. So, and it gives me all my readings. Now, with that being said, I always tell you guys that that I'm looking at my iPhone watch for the heart rate and stuff like that, but the calories don't match up. So let me go over to my program from the iPhone watch, and this is what I get. You notice? You see it up there? It's starting to show the Bowflex machine. So the iPhone watch is actually adapting to my program from the Bowflex program. And if I click on it, the calories that I told you guys about yesterday are matching up. So the iPhone watch is actually adapting to the machine, even though at the time of the workout, it's not, the calories aren't matching up. But when it's all said and done, the iPhone watch is pulling these numbers for the correct calories from my other program. I just thought that was really neat. Hopefully you did. So if you have a Bowflex and you have the program and you also have the iPhone watch like I do, we can set it on elliptical and it will adapt to this machine in the final numbers. I thought that was really cool. So let's get the iPhone watch going. Let me get some power here. I'm going to find the program steady pace, and we are going to proceed to kill ourselves. Oh, swing on things here. While we're looking for it, I just found it. We're going to do 1 minute hands free. I'm just going to grab here, or I'm going to grab here. The second minute, I'm going to use hands on the handles, okay? You're going to feel the difference in your legs if you're trying to do the same thing. It's going to be sort of like a recovery, but we're going to try to maintain that same pace though. Once again, we're just mixing it up on the machine to make their program harder for us to get more out of the machine. So, in 3, 2, 1, hit it. And first minute, we're going to go hands free here. Trying to stay right around that 20 RPMs. Go above it, it's fine. Seconds, and then we can start using our hands. Alright guys, even though this is so easy to spin, cardio-wise this is hard. It's a killer. Seconds when you use your hands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Give my legs a little break. my whole body involved here for 1 minute. This really feels good on my upper body since we just got done with push-ups. 30 seconds. Go back to just legs. Now remember, if I can't maintain the pace, I'm not going to quit. I'm just going to slow down. Five seconds. All right, no hands. I like rotating back and forth. Gives you something to do. Takes your mind off the workout. Seconds. Five seconds. There we go. Give them legs a break. I recommend putting your hands all the way at the top of the handles. Get that maximum push to really recover your legs. Let your upper body do some work. .162 on the heart rate. It's up there. How you feeling, all right? All right, back to legs. Get a drink of water if you have it. Put your hands back on there. Don't be bashful. I'm just trying to maintain, stay right around that 20 RPMs. 5 seconds. Here we go. Use your hands again. Don't worry about the time. Let me worry about that. Close your eyes. Listen to some music. Just get the workout in. 160 on the heart rate. Seconds. Going back to legs. All right, back to legs. Keep pace up. Remember what I told you before. Remember that person that always beats you. Don't let him go this time. Stay on his butt. Defeat sometimes is a good thing. It's motivational. Use it to your advantage when you train. 15 seconds. 5 seconds. Alright, put your hands up there. Feeling it yet? I know I am. Thirty seconds. Seconds. Go back to legs. Alright, back to legs. Going. Seconds. Five. Give them legs a break in a minute. Here we go. Breathing going. Seconds. That's 200 calories. We're on track. Seconds. Back to the legs. 5. Alright, back to your legs. Going. Don't quit. Slow down, but don't quit. 30 seconds. Seconds. Give them legs a break. 5. Alright, put your hands back on. pace. Seconds. Stay with it. 10. 5 seconds. All right, back to legs. Don't you dare quit. This is hard for me too. Seconds. Five. Put your hands back on. 75 on the calories, 168 on the heart. Seconds. For the last minute, keep the whole body in it. Don't go just legs. We still got to get 300 calories. We're at 290. Last minute. 295 calories. We got this. Don't you dare quit. 300. Keep going. We go through the finish line. $30 seconds. Don't you quit. You quit, you have to live with it. Don't quit on yourself. 15 seconds. 10. 5. 2. That's it. I told you you could do it. This guy's 50 years old. All right? You can do it. If you want to buy one of these things, buy one. I'm not a sales rep. But you want to work out on one of these things, you come back to this channel and we'll work this machine until we break it. I'll see you on the next one.